Have you ever looked at a ladder leaning against a wall or wondered how to find the height of a building without actually climbing it? Now, here, I'm going to teach you how to find the angles in a right angle triangle using trigonometric ratio. So pay attention to this problem. We are asked to find the value of x. There are two right angle triangle here. Two right angle triangle. One of them is triangle PQS. That's a right angle triangle. And also I have triangle PRS to be a right angled triangle. So how do you find angle x? This is angle x here, from here. One of the ways to find angle s is to find this entire angle here. If we have this entire angle and you are able to find this, then you could possibly say that the bigger angle minus the smaller black angle will give you the value of x. So the next question would be, how do you find the bigger angle? Alright, so I wanted to pay attention to the bigger right angled triangle. Let's just pretend as if this is not there. If you pretend as if this line is not there, then all that you're looking at is just this angle here. Just this angle, that's what you're looking for. That's what you're looking at. So if you call all of these, let's say we call this theta, triangle PQS is a right angle triangle. The side facing the angle is the opposite. This is the hypotenuse, and this third side is the adjacent. So for you to find the value of theta, we'll think about the trigonometric ratio. And on that trigonometric ratio, we bring into this principle called SOHCAHTOA. Alright, so basic trigonometric ratio are sine, cosine, and tangent. In this case, we have been given the value of the adjacent 3, and we have the value of the hypotenuse to be 5. So what link the adjacent and the hypotenuse together is CA. That's cos. Your cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So I would write this as cos theta equals to adjacent 3 over hypotenuse 5. 3 over 5 is the same as 0.6, and so the value of theta would be the cosine inverse of 0.6. 0.6, and that is 53.13 degrees, and that's the value of theta, this entire bigger angle there. Did you get that? Alright, so let me take this out again so that you see. Remember, I found all of this to be 53.13 degrees, and I said that if you're able to find this angle here, you just say the black angle minus the blue. So how do I find this blue angle? Let me call this blue angle alpha. To find the blue angle, I also have a right angle triangle PRS. That's a right angle triangle. But there is a faster way to do this. Remember that the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. That is, when you add up this angle plus 61 plus 90, it gives you 180 degrees. So what is alpha? For you to find alpha, since this is already 90 degrees, then that means these other two angles will be complementary. That means they must add up to 90 degrees. So my alpha will be 90 minus 61, or you just say 90 plus 61 plus alpha equals to 180 degrees, and you still get the same answer. So my alpha is 29 degrees. Then I can say therefore that x, this angle here, x, is equals to theta, which is 53.13 minus 29 degrees. So when you subtract this, 53.13 minus 29, that gives you 24.13 degrees. And that's the value of x. Please click on the subscribe button, like and share